Hey kids, you enjoying Captain Cosmos? Well, you can enjoy his new burger at NucaWorld. We got a behind the scenes look at how they make it. Alright, the first thing they do is add a half a cup of mayo. And then they add a third of a cup of ketchup to that bowl. And then they add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. And then a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then they add a half a teaspoon of gochujang. Then they add a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, however you pronounce it. And then 3 heaping tablespoons of relish. And then they add a tablespoon of chopped onions. And then they just give this a mix till everything is mixed together. They cover it in saran wrap and let it chill out in the fridge for at least an hour. It looks about like that when they're done. Then they take quarter-pound balls of 100% pure American beef and they smash them together between 2 plates to form perfect patties. Then they're grilled to perfection using a special blend of spices they wouldn't tell me about, but they say you can pick it up at your local grocery store or just use salt and pepper or whatever seasoning blend you like. The chef was kind of salty at this point. Now that the burgers are done cooking, they each get a slice of cheese that will be melted to perfection. Well, the chef wouldn't let me show the construction of the burger, trade secrets and all. But it did comprise of toasted buns, lettuce on the bottom bun, followed by patty, followed by a generous drenching of that sauce, followed by pickles, top bun, and served with perfectly cooked fries. So come on down to NucaWorld and get Captain Cosmos Burger.